back to the Nature Voice channel. For those of you that are new to this channel, my name is William.
And I'm James.
And today we're down here in the Florida Keys, right behind this huge lobster. But this is our first time down here in the Florida Keys, so we're going to go see what there is to see. Hopefully we have a great time. I'm sure we will, but I'm taking you guys along for the ride. Come on, let's go.
It's your cold.
Are we allowed to fish here?
No.
Do they have to?
You're not allowed to fish here?
He's not fishing, he's just trying to turn your paddle.
There's a tarpon, right?
Yeah, these are all tarpon.
They're all tarpon? Okay.
Oh, they're waiting. They're waiting for that finger.
They're so slimy.
That bird is waiting too.
Don't be afraid. They'll grab your hand. Hold on, William. Come on, James. You can do it.
See, they're stuck to them. They're on a bunch of them.
Oh wow!
Gotta be quicker than that. Oh, we got it.
Can you pull it up?
Well, we pull you up. Right? oh, you number one. All right, don't catch a fish. You gotta throw them back.
William.
I've been trying it all the time.
William.
Oh, yeah?
He was trying to take a picture. He was trying to take. Those things are so slimy. I bet.
No?
No, because their mouths are so funny and hard.
Here, we'll chunk the water for you.
I thought that was like an airport already.
Ocean trout.
Started with smoked pompano, barracuda, baby bull shark, and I have no idea what that is. It almost looks like a,
Black tip.
no, I don't think it's a black tip. No, it's right there. Yeah, look how big he is. those other tarpon will like eat those tarpon that I was catching. That was actually my first tarpon, and I caught him with my hands. My hands are all beat up, but it's worth it. Worth it. This turtle that made completely out of trash. That just shows how much trash is really on these beaches, and that people really need to start cleaning up after themselves. Like, I mean, look how many bottle caps and chains, and there's pieces of leather on there too.
This turtle sculpture, it's not made out of like paint or anything. It's made out of trash, and that proves that anything can be art.
So whenever you go to the beach, make sure you leave it cleaner than you got there. So right here is a huge land crab, but it's blue. It's like vibrant blue. It's really cool. He's actually down in his hole, and he hears us and sees us walking up, so he's going down. So we just walked away for like 5 minutes, and he's out of the hole now, and he's right at the crab. I don't even know how he fit under there, but he's huge. That's so cool.
An inchworm fell from the tree and landed on my hand.
Well, I found a crab. He's down in this hole. You can see his leg right there. Actually, that might be the one that I was talking about. His claw is literally the size of my hand. What do you think about all these crabs?
Pretty crazy.
Yeah, they're huge, right?
Yeah.
Look at this foam. I wonder what it's from. I think it's just the waves splashing up and adding up all the bubbles, and it creates this foam, like these foam things. It's weird. Look at these coral-like formations in the rock. That's really awesome. So all these rocks are limestone and dead coral. So right here, that's a piece of brain coral. This is too. And then there's also different kinds of coral. I forgot the names of them. If you know in the comments, leave it down below. But they are absolutely awesome. Look at this. Oh, little curly tail. We see this, guys, all the time. Look at the inchworm doing the little inch dance.
Also, it will leave like a string behind.
Oh, like a silkworm?
Yeah.
Here.
It'll leave like it leaves like a silk string behind, so that way if they fall, they hang.
Yeah.
Then they can climb back up.
So, I've heard that the iguanas are really, really bad down here, but I've only seen one iguana this entire trip so far, and I know we've only been here for a couple hours, but I've only seen one little baby. That's it. So I don't see what the big deal is that there's so many iguanas. I was looking, and I didn't see it. But
You see him, James?
Two over there.
Too bad they don't let you catch the babies anymore.
We're at the end of the 7 Mile Bridge. kilometers went by, the sun is out and the water is glistening.
Way down in.
Did it go in? How do they run like that?
Talk about it.
So we're down here in the Florida Keys, and this is a male or buck key deer. So they look a lot like your average white-tailed deer, except for they are much smaller and they're protected.
That's the biggest one we saw, huh?
Yeah, it is the biggest one that I've seen.
Look at that tiny deer.
A manta ray?
Yeah, anyway. Here, I have the camera.
Oh, I'm coming with it.
It's going quick. We are here at the Southern Most Point of the United States, and if you can read, 90 miles to Cuba, straight that way.
I'm doing this in the concrete. It is truly a blessing. Please tip me well. I love you. I love what I do. Everybody together, show me some love. Everybody go. Everybody go. Everybody go. Come on. Shake it, baby. Shake it. Shake it all the time.
No, guys, come on, everybody count with me.
1, 2, 3.
You guys clap for Hunter. Come on, give him a hand. Good job, man. Good job. All right, fantastic. This trick was inspired by my ex-girlfriend. This trick is called behind my back. Y'all are taking me way too serious. Behind the back, everybody make some noise now. A little flourish on the right, flourish on the left. Everybody watch close, big finish. I'm gonna take all 3 of these, I'm gonna lay down. I'm gonna juggle them over my face. All the spikes right over the face. When I start juggling, everybody start clapping. This trick doesn't last long. I'm gonna do my best. Everybody say good luck. Good luck. Watch all 3. When I start juggling, you know what to do. Is your camera ready, ma'am? I don't know if laughing was the reaction I was looking for, but I appreciate it. All right, all 3. When I start juggling, you know what to do. Everybody say, do it. Do it. I have a knife, I have a tomahawk, I have that mace. We're gonna do it. Is everybody ready? Say yeah. Yeah. Chad's like, absolutely not. Chad, don't worry, it's all good, man. I can do this. I saw it on YouTube. Everybody on 3, just say jump. I'm gonna hop to the top. Will y'all do me a favor? Lift it up. Come right here. All right. You have 2 other helpers. You're good, Chad. Don't worry. Everybody on 3, say jump. Everybody 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! What did you expect? Seriously. What's your name, bud? John. John, do me a favor, John. Look away. Just look away. John, I got a hand right here, buddy, with the hand you let go with. Can you grab my hand? Amazing. Sir in the white shirt, I got a hand right here. Grab my hand. All right, Chad, don't grab anything. I didn't tell you to let go either, though. Chad, turn around. You see those 3 things? Go grab those, dude. Ooh. You guys let the bike go, just don't let go of my hands. Go ahead, let it go. Chad, do me a favor, bud. You're gonna face the audience. You're gonna take 1 step back. 1 more step back. Take all 3 of those, hold them up. I'm gonna let go of them. I'm gonna grab onto you. Is that cool? Awesome. Will you put 2 in your right hand? Had to think about it. It's all good, man. I know, I'm setting you up. You did a good job. You guys, I let go of these gentlemen. I'm gonna grab onto Chad. You guys on 3, thank you so much for the help. I just want you to let go, and I want you to run. There's a speaker behind you. Look out for that, all right? When I let these guys go, everybody here give them a big hand. Everybody 1, 2, 3, clap for these guys. All right, Chad, take 1 step forward. Take 1 more step forward. I'm gonna come to you, buddy. Don't move. Oh. I got it. All right, Chad, I'm gonna grab your right hand. Grip that nice and tight. I'm gonna grab your left hand. Same thing. Everybody, for my finale, I'm gonna have Chad jump into the air. Chad majestically is going to leap into the air. I'm gonna pull him onto my shoulders. Chad, you are a huge help. Do me a favor, buddy. On 3, you can run back to your seat. Just do me a big favor. When I'm done, I'm gonna look at you. Will you come out here and help me get down? Yeah. All right, awesome. Everybody give Chad a big hand. 1, 2, 3, clap for Chad. For my last trick, I wanna start 1 more beat. Well, everybody put your hands up. You guys, everybody hands up. I can throw these really far. Hands up.
Jason.
That's me.
All right, Jace, I got you, bro.
All right.
Come on, hook them up, yo. 20 years. 20 years of practice.
That guy has never driven a boat once in his life. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. Everybody clap with. Everybody clap. No. Clap with me. Ready? Clap. All right, somebody scream.
Whitehead Point. When the tower's finished in early 1826, the White House brick structure, 47.
Today we're here at the Key West Lighthouse and we're gonna go up there and see how far we can see up there. Come on, let's go.
Circle around.
So right over there's the Southern Most Point. Yeah, because I remember that dome over there. So we're west of that, right? Yeah, west of. We're here at the mile marker 0 for the Highway US 1. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. That's not that much. All copper. The metal, it's all copper and it's a massive pot covered in core.
That's where they kept the water.
My feet hurt from these things. Look at the camera. Towards the shallow end, I can only see like that far in front of me, like. But the farther out I go towards the buoys, the easier I can see. Like the better the visibility is. But there's so much grass here. This is a really beautiful beach. Although there's a lot of grass, a lot of fish hide in there. I just saw like 3 barracudas and a couple snapper, and then I saw a bunch of bait fish.
We're taking a nice dip in the water at Via Honda State Park.
Look at that bridge.
That's the old railroad.
Yeah?
The railroad and then the road went over top of it. Yeah.
Wow.
Now it's just falling in the ocean.
Yeah.
By the time you bring your kids here, probably won't be much left of it.
No.
This beach is so beautiful that they're setting up for a wedding.
This is our last day down here in the Florida Keys, but can you guess where we just pulled up? Robbie's. So there is all sorts of stuff. There's an antique shop, there's tarpon feeding, there's gift shops, there's everything here. So we're gonna go try to feed the tarpon, and maybe I'll catch one, maybe one will catch me, but come on, let's go.
Look at this handcrafted boat behind me.
So people back in the 1980s from Cuba, they were trying to escape communism, so they built these boats just like this one with barrels and just scrap metal that they could find, and they risked their lives coming over here to America. They traveled 90 miles in this boat. A lot of people didn't make it though.
That's
they got some pretty big ones here.
I know.
You ready?
No. Oh, look at that guy.
Yeah, I could also get pulled in.
Nobody wants my fish.
We're gonna put them on the pot.
There's a glove in the car. Huh? I know. Ah! It's falling right in your hand.
Try to grab one, James.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, this video has to end and we're going home.
We had a really fun time. We went to the Southern Most Point and we went up a lighthouse that's 100 years old.
Yeah, there was a bunch of tarpon at Robbie's. I had a great time there, and there was Bud and Mary's. That's the place where I caught the tarpon. And there was also really cool museums there. I had an awesome time. I can't wait to come back.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Bye.